Well, Jamie, you've been kind enough to let me drive another one of your brand new vehicles. What are we
Yeah.
driving
Today
today?
we're driving a 2024 GMC Terrain. So it's an SUV, uh, one of the smaller SUVs that GMC builds. It's has two front seats and then the middle row, which is a three passenger seating.
The color of this vehicle, stunning.
Yep,
What is the color called?
Riptide Blue. Yeah.
I love it. Are there other colors that this
Oh,
car comes
absolutely.
in?
Yeah, they've got a lot of new colors out. Some of those monotone colors are getting real popular now. The non-metallics, like the beiges and those colors, are really getting
Right.
popular. But people still like a lot of metallic, and so we've got the blue, and then there's a real pretty burgundy, just different assortment of colors.
I mean, people are going to recognize you when you're driving this car.
Oh
That's
yeah,
for sure.
yeah,
You're going to stand out.
It's bright.
Okay, so when I was backing up to shift, it's a little bit different in here. How do you do that?
Yeah, so they have the push button shift transmission, which basically eliminates the shifter on the steering column, and a lot of safety built into that. A lot of people think, well, if I don't put it in park, what happens? Well, if you open the door, it puts it in park. If you push the start button to turn it off, it puts it in park. So a lot of safety built into that. And you also notice the backup screen comes on when you put it in reverse. So you have that creature comfort of being able to see what's behind you when you're backing up.
I also noticed the OnStar button. Is this service included?
It is on this model. It has a 3-year OnStar connected services package, which will give you the cell phone option to connect your phone to the OnStar system, where you can remote start it, also lock and unlock the doors. So if you were out of town and your wife said or husband said, hey, I left something in your car, can you unlock it for me? You happen to have the key, you could just use the remote app and unlock it.
Oh, that's super nice. Because sometimes you question yourself. You're like, uh-oh,
Oh
did
yeah,
I?
I've left my car at the airport before and thought, man, did I lock my car? And so I just pull up the OnStar app and just hit the lock button and it'll lock the vehicle.
What about some of those other features like Alexa or CarPlay?
Yeah, this vehicle is equipped with Android Auto and CarPlay, or Apple CarPlay. You could also connect your Google services package to the radio because they're Bluetooth friendly. So you can use your phone if you've got Pandora on there and you just want to play your phone through the radio, you can do that as well. Also, blind zone features are built into the mirrors on this vehicle. Lane departure warning you if you exit the lane and cross the line over without turning on your signal. It'll notify you of that. So a lot of safety built into the Terrain.
How would you say that this feature compares to like other cars similar?
Well, a lot of manufacturers have vehicle in this size of vehicle. Jeep has one, the Liberty, and then the Nissan Rogue. But I would think, to me, of course, I'm pro GMC, so I'm gonna tout the GMC brand.
What engines are offered with this model?
This vehicle has the 1.5 turbo, and that's a pretty common engine for this size of vehicle on the GM line. And it's been a great engine, very proven, performs well, and gets good gas mileage.
We all love to hear that as well. What is the gas mileage?
So 26 is what it's rated at in town, and then 30 on the highway. But again, you drive it reasonable, you could probably expect that 28 to 30 mile per gallon average.
What about the trims offered? What can we expect?
So right now we're driving an SLE trim with the elevation package. And so the elevation is an exterior package, the black wheels, the black grille, the black emblems. That's also available in the SLT trim level. And then we have the Denali and then the AT4. And the AT4 is the off-road version, has a little bit taller stance, bigger wheels and tires, little different interior accents. But the AT4 has gotten very popular in the GMC trim line.
What is the price range for this particular vehicle?
So this vehicle starts off at about $30,000, and then just depending on what trim level, it just goes up from there.
What about warranty?
3 years, $36,000, bumper to bumper, and then 5 years, 60,000 miles on the powertrain.
Well, I've really enjoyed driving this. It'd be a nice little mom car, you think?
Absolutely. Perfect for you right now.
Where can folks come out and drive one?
So Guadney Buick GMC, Sherwood, next to Sam's Club. We're right there, and come see us.
I love it. Well, Jamie, as always, thank you so much for joining me today.
Enjoyed it.
And we'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after the break.